Financial literacy. Understanding and using a variety of financial abilities constitutes financial literacy, including investing, budgeting, and personal financial management. Additionally, it entails being aware of some financial concepts. Key ideas, including debt management, compound interest, the time value of money, and financial planning. Individuals can avoid making bad financial judgments by developing their financial literacy. It could aid in their independence and financial stability. Developing financial literacy requires taking important measures like understanding how to make a budget, keep tabs on spending, pay off debt, and make retirement plans. In this video we will about how educating yourself on financial literacy also involves learning how money works, setting and achieving financial goals, becoming aware of unethical financial practices, and managing financial challenges that life throws your way. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. The importance of financial literacy. In its National Financial Capability Study, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, found that Americans with higher levels of financial literacy were more likely to make ends meet, spend less of their income, create a 3-month emergency fund, and open a retirement account than those with lower financial literacy. Making informed financial decisions is more important than ever. Take retirement planning. Many workers once relied on pension plans to fund their retirement lives. With the financial burden and decision-making for pension funds borne by the companies or governments that sponsored them, today, few workers get pensions. Instead, some are offered the option of participating in a 401k plan. This involves decisions that employees themselves have to make about contribution levels and investment choices. Those without employer options need to actively seek out and open individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and other tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Add to this people's increasing lifespans, leading to longer retirements. Social Security benefits that barely support basic survival, complicated health and other insurance options. More complex savings and investment instruments to select from, and a plethora of choices from banks, credit unions, brokerage firms, credit card companies, and more. It's clear that financial literacy is a must for making thoughtful and informed decisions. Avoiding unnecessary levels of debt, helping family members through these complex decisions, and having adequate income in retirement. Personal finance is where financial literacy translates into individual financial decision-making. How do you manage your money? Which savings and investment vehicles are you using? Personal finance is about making and meeting your financial goals, whether you want to own a home, help other members of your family, save for your children's college education, support causes that you care about, plan for retirement, or anything else. Benefits of financial literacy. Holistically, the benefit of financial literacy is to empower individuals to make smarter decisions. More specifically, financial literacy is important for a number of reasons. Financial literacy can prevent devastating mistakes. Floating rate loans may have different interest rates each month, while traditional individual retirement account, IRA, contributions can't be withdrawn until retirement. Seemingly innocent financial decisions may have long-term implications that cost individuals money or impact life plans. Financial literacy helps individuals avoid making mistakes with their personal finances. Financial literacy prepares people for emergencies. Financial literacy topics such as saving or emergency preparedness get individuals ready for the uncertain. Though losing a job or having a major unexpected expense are always financially impactful, an individual can cushion the blow by implementing their financial literacy in advance by being ready for emergencies. Financial literacy can help individuals reach their goals. By better understanding how to budget and save money, individuals can create plans that set expectations, hold them accountable to their finances, and set a course for achieving seemingly unachievable goals. Though someone may not be able to afford a dream today, they can always make a plan to better increase their odds of making it happen. Financial literacy invokes confidence. Imagine making a life-changing decision without all the information you need to make the best decision. By being armed with the appropriate knowledge about finances, individuals can approach major life choices with greater confidence, realizing that they are less likely to be surprised or negatively impacted by unforeseen outcomes. Strategies to improve financial literacy skills. Developing financial literacy to improve your personal finances involves learning and practicing a variety of skills related to budgeting, managing and paying off debts, and understanding credit and investment products. The good news is that, no matter where you are in life and financially, it's never too late to start practicing good financial habits. Here are several practical strategies to consider. Create a budget. Track how much money you receive each month against how much you spend in an Excel sheet, on paper, or with a budgeting app. Your budget should include income, paychecks, investments, alimony, fixed expenses, rent, mortgage payments, utilities, loan payments, discretionary spending, non-essentials such as eating out, shopping, and travel, and savings. Pay yourself first. To build savings, this reverse budgeting strategy involves choosing a savings goal, such as paying for higher education, deciding how much you want to contribute toward it each month, and setting that amount aside before you divvy up the rest of your expenses. Pay bills promptly. Stay on top of monthly bills, making sure that payments consistently arrive on time. Consider taking advantage of automatic debits from a checking account or bill pay apps and sign up for payment reminders, by email, phone, or text. Get your credit report. Once a year, consumers can request a free credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion through the federally created website annualcreditreport.com. Review these reports and dispute any errors by informing the credit bureau of inaccuracies. Because you can get 3 of them, consider spacing out your requests throughout the year to monitor yourself regularly. Check your credit score. Having a good credit score helps you obtain the best interest rates on loans and credit cards, among other benefits. Monitor your score via a free credit monitoring service, or, if you can afford to, and want to add an extra layer of protection for your information, use one of the best credit monitoring services. In addition, be aware of the financial decisions that can raise or lower your score, such as credit inquiries and credit utilization ratios. Manage debt. Use your budget to stay on top of debt by reducing spending and increasing repayment. Develop a debt reduction plan, such as paying down the loan with the highest interest rate first. If your debt is excessive, contact lenders to renegotiate repayment, consolidate loans, or find a debt counseling program. Invest in your future. If your employer offers a 401k retirement savings account, be sure to sign up and contribute the maximum to receive the employer match. Consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, and creating a diversified investment portfolio of stocks, fixed income, and commodities. If necessary, seek financial advice from professional advisors to help you determine how much money you will need to retire comfortably and develop strategies to reach your goal. Example of financial literacy. Emma is a high school teacher who tries to inform her students about financial literacy through her curriculum. She educates them on the basics of a variety of financial topics, such as personal budgeting, debt management, education and retirement saving, insurance, investing, and even tax planning. Emma's students can and will use these concepts later in life for things like renting an apartment, getting a first job, or even just paying for fun activities such as going to the movies. Understanding concepts such as interest rates, opportunity costs, debt management, compound interest, and budgeting, for example, could help her students manage the student loans that they might rely on to fund their college education, and keep them from amassing dangerous levels of debt and endangering their credit scores. Similarly, she expects that certain topics, such as income taxes and retirement planning, will eventually prove useful to all students, no matter what they end up doing after high school. Did you learn something new about financial literacy that you didn't know before? We hope you did. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing knowledge about finance and making money, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.